Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to mount your Aeroqual air quality station using the fence mount kit. To complete this setup, you will need 2 cable lock wires, a fence mount, an Aeroqual monitoring station, and a power option. For best results, we recommend having 2 people during installation. Let's start by mounting the bracket to the fence. Select the sturdy fence post where you want the station to be installed. Take your first cable lock wire and slide it between the fence and the post. Make sure it rests above a fence tie for extra support. Wrap the cable lock using the bracket hinge, then feed the wire through the hole and pull tight to lock it in place. Repeat the same process with your second cable lock. Once both are secured, the mount should feel tight and stable. Next, let's attach the Aeroqual station. Line up the top and bottom mounting holes on the station with the 2 upper brackets on the fence mount. Make sure the holes are aligned before releasing the station. Once aligned, slide it into place and let it rest securely on the brackets. Now, we'll mount the power option. In this video, we're using the Mini Power Mate, which is the only power mate designed to mount directly to the fence mount. Match the Mini Power Mate handle with the lower bracket and slide it into position. Connect the Aeroqual power cable to the Mini Power Mate and power on the station. Your Aeroqual unit is now fully mounted, powered, and ready for field use. Happy monitoring from Specto Technology.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.